Hi everybody, and welcome back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal, coming at all of you with a sweet treat, a low-fat sweet treat, and guess what it is? A keto-style blue raspberry cheesecake mousse. Ooh, yummy. Cheesecake is one of my favorites, and I didn't have to give it up on this journey because we can have cream cheese. So let me tell you how I made it. I also have a slideshow at the end, how I made it, and I will also write it down in my box. I make it super easy for you guys. But how I did it is I took a block of a third less fat cream cheese. I let it set on the counter for about an hour to soften. And then I put it in a bowl and I just kind of pushed it down with a fork. And then to get the blue raspberry flavor, I did what I've told you guys before in some of my videos, is that Mio Water Enhancer. This is the great value flavor. Now these are done with the sucralose, so if you are one that cannot have sucralose, if it kicks you out of ketosis, this wouldn't be for you. I can have sucralose, it just kind of knocks my color down a little bit, and what that means is they're ketone strips that you can buy from Walmart or a local drugstore. They produce, or you just urinate on them, they're ketone strips, and then it'll tell you if you're in. If it's the color that it is when you first start, you are not in ketosis. If it starts to have a color to it, you are starting to produce ketones, and the farther you are, the darkest color is purple. When you are there, you are burning the most fat. But if you are at least a color, you are in ketosis. Mine goes down a little bit, the color. but in the beginning, I used to be able to do this more often and my color would stay darker. But as you lose weight and don't have a lot of body fat left, it is a little harder to eat some of these, sugars that are fake, the fake sugars. But I can still do it. Aspartame is one for me that doesn't knock me at all, but sucralose does. So just be careful. If you're one that can't have it at all, knocks you out, then this wouldn't be for you. But anyways, I took this and I added 4 squirts of it, and I added 2 packages of stevia, mixed it, cut it 4 ways, and I'm eating 2 servings, so I'm eating 1/4 of it. It's only 3 carbs, and it's only 3 because I put a dollop of whipped cream on top. You don't even need the whipped cream. I did it for presentation just to be pretty. And of course, people probably want a little bit of whipped cream. It's great. But I love cheesecake, and I love raspberry flavor, especially blue raspberry. And to make it a little bit more blue, because this isn't real dark, I mean, it is darker in picture than here because the lighting is terrible in here. Sorry about that. You could add a little bit of food coloring too if you're doing it for like a party. Hey, we got the Super Bowl coming. Make this, have a dirty keto day, and enjoy it. Everybody loves a mousse, right? Yum. And this would be lower fat since I did it with the third less fat. If you are in maintenance mode and you don't need to lose any weight or you're trying to gain weight, you would eat the regular fat cream cheese. I always teach on my channel, keto was designed 3 ways: to lose weight, to gain weight, or maintain weight. If you are in the weight loss part, you need to use your body fat as your energy, the high fat part. It's a high fat, low carb diet, and it starts with the body fat if you have body fat. That's your high fat, and I teach that a lot in my channel. I was taught by 3 professionals, two nutritionists that are trained in keto, and also a doctor trained in keto. And then of course I learned a lot on my own too, but I was trained by professionals. So when I tell it to you, I'm telling you the truth. And if you've watched my journey, and everybody that follows me, we all lost weight super fast, got it off, and are doing amazing. I myself lost all my weight, 150 pounds or 50 plus pounds in 13 months. Then I went into maintenance at 139 pounds for about a year and a half. It was over a year. But I decided I wanted to lose a little bit more. I'm only 5'2", and I was 139. I want to get into the 120s. And by the way, I'm almost there, you guys. I'm super excited about that. But yeah, so I went back to using my body fat and eating lower lean meats and all of that. And it's working great again. And I'm almost there. But anyways, that's how you're going to do it. Now, they do make the Mios in different flavors. They have grape. They have orange. They have tang. They have... Sorry, got knocked off again. But I was saying they had watermelon. They just have so many different flavors. Here's a Kool-Aid version of the Mio, and that is cherry. You could do a cherry flavor. They also have tang. If you remember tang as a child, this tastes just like it, you guys. If you're wanting a refreshing glass of tang, right here, it tastes just like it. But again, these are all done with the sucralose, that fake sugar. We do recommend that you stick with stevia for things because that is the best one on keto. But you know what? We're gonna want to dip into some other things because not everything is made with that stevia. Hopefully one day, because keto's getting so big, we will be doing everything with stevia. But right now, yeah, we still have to do some of those fake sugars. But just watch your body, test your body, see how it works. Don't knock yourself off for something like this because I'm sure there's other ways you can do it. But yes, I'm super excited about this dessert. Make it for parties. We got the Super Bowl, like I said, coming up. Enjoy it. And this one here would be low fat for you since I did it with a third less fat. I'm just excited about this because I love cheesecake. Now, I did have a woman on my channel. Her name is Maria V, I believe it is. loves my channel, loves watching me for the keto stuff, but she hates when I eat with a metal fork and it scrapes against my teeth. I get it, honey. I didn't even think about that when I was doing the video. I didn't even think about it. I was always the chalkboard person. Ugh, nails in a chalkboard could drive me crazy. I'm getting chills thinking about it. So I guess I can understand. I've heard other people say that in other people's channels when they do mukbangs, that they scrape their teeth. This one here is a plastic. It looks metal, but it's a plastic fork. So hopefully I won't make any noise with this one. And I'll try to use plastic when I do my videos. I just want to apologize to Maria for that. Sorry, honey. I get it. I know it's can be chilling, right? So let's taste this. Oh, I'm so excited to try this, you guys. I wish the lighting was better in here so you could see how pretty this is. But I do have pictures so you get to see the color it was. Hopefully you can see this. I don't get why it's not showing the true color of it. But it is a baby blue raspberry. And like I said, if you wanted it brighter so it was prettier for a party, you know, just to make it more presentable or more, you know, the presentation of it to look prettier, add a little bit of food coloring too. But yes, here we go. Oh, I love cheesecake because it's just so smooth. Yum, it's so delicious, you guys. Oh my God. I wish you were here to try a bite, but I know that you guys can make this super fast and super easy. Run to the store and get this, you guys. It's so yummy. I just wish you could see the color better. I'm sorry, the lighting, everywhere I am, the lighting is so bad. Yet it's so bright in here. It must be too bright in here while you're not seeing the color as good. But I'm trying to work on the lighting. I'm so sorry for that, guys, but you at least know what this is because I just told you. And it's not scraping my teeth. But I did do a couple takes on this, and I did hear that I was still kind of scraping my teeth, even though it's plastic. So I must just do that. I must scrape my teeth, and I got to stop doing that anyways. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is delicious. One more taste. Oh my gosh. So good, you guys. I love cheesecake. It is one of my all-time favorites. And I love that on keto, we don't have to get rid of it. There are lots of different recipes for cheesecake. Look it up. But this one right here is a mousse. I love mousse. I love the creamier, the better. So definitely try this one out. And if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And if you would like to know more about keto, you know, help getting started, I know how to set macros up. I know all of that. So I do link my email down in every one of these boxes. Go ahead and go down in there, shoot me a message so I can ask you a few questions and I will get you on the train, the keto train. And you are definitely going to lose if you listen to me. Just read some of the comments that people have said, the people that I have helped. I've got a little, you know, in the beginning here, I've got a little video showing my journey and stuff like that, my brother stuff and a few other people. If I did put everybody in, yeah, it would be an hour-long video. I wish I could put everybody in. Maybe one day I'll be able to get everybody and do a little video on that. But everybody I have helped is all losing weight with no stall at all because I'm teaching them the exact way to do keto for weight loss. And I'm getting ready myself to get into maintenance mode and up those calories. That's what's great about keto is you don't go down. It's a total different way of life. You actually go up and up a lot. I am eating 500 to 700 calories mad right now. I am going to eat 18 to 2,000 calories once I hit that maintenance mode with no weight gain. Maybe a little bit in the beginning because your body has to adjust, but if you take it slow, no gain at all. So anyways, if you need help, I would love to help you free of charge. I've helped many people and many people are succeeding. So other than that, try this treat out. You guys are going to absolutely love it. It's delicious. I hope all of you are doing well. I hope you are enjoying my channel and I love you all with all my heart. Everybody take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next video. And always remember, everybody, to keep it keto.